How to hide your active status on the Facebook Messenger app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then simply click on Settings icon. In here, scroll down. In Profile, you'll find Active Status. Click on Active Status. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here you'll find show when you're active button. Click on it and you'll find all these options until I change it or simply within any hours. After you do that, your active status will be hidden, and this is how to hide your active status on the Facebook Messenger app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.